Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to refund your money on Etsy website. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and of course if you're logging into your account you'll find your this sentence here, welcome back, and that will be just your name or your username. Of course, if you're not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll be able to create an account or log in into your account with a top right corner option. You'll find this here if you're not logged in into your account. Just go and click on it, then log in or create your account if needed. Of course, you will be able to do that with a Google account, Facebook account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account, you'll find yourself, as I said in this page, with this welcome back sentence. So of course, if you want to ask or if you want to refund your money on Etsy website, simply let's just go to the shop manager at the top right corner. Just go and click on that. Then from here you would like to go to orders and shipping from this left sections. From here, as you can see, for me I don't have any orders yet or any shippings, but for you, if you want to ask for your refund or refund your money, simply just choose the order or the item that you want to refund and choose the issue or choose issue a refund. Then select a reason for issuing a refund and add an optional message to the buyer. If you want to refund the entire transaction, choose the box by issue a full refund. Then you would like to select review refund. Then simply at the end you would like to select submit and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.